beautiful. Josephine, good girl. That's not really the right chair for you, though. Come over here. Get up. Get up, darling. Stand up. Come on. Are you going to eat soon? Are you going to eat? You want to eat? Come on then. Good girl. Come on, out you get. Get up. Get up. Go in your other chair. Go in this chair.
Okay.
Go on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Josephine. Come on. Yeah. Up you get. Come here. Come to Granny. Come. Hey. Come on. Come here. Now stand up. Go in your chair. Go in your chair. Go in your chair. Go in the nice red chair. Get your new doll. Get the new. Yeah. Okay. Josephine, say sleep. Sleep. Good girl. What about eat? How do you do eat? Good girl. What about milk? Yes, very good. Now stand up. Stand up here. Stand up. Stand up here. Good girl. That's right. Fantastic. That's right. What a clever girl.